Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Electronic Secret. In today's video, our topic is CRT TV power supply. Okay, standby release, but no display and no image, no picture. So friends, today we will check this, what is the fault and what are the diagnoses we made. So friends, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, like my video and share it. I will check it by giving power. Look at the standby light. Yes, it glows, then release, but nothing on the screen. Friends, there is no image, no raster, nothing. Again I will power off the TV. Friends, see at standby light. Yes, it glows and goes off. So friends, standby is okay, releasing, but no image, no screen. I will open the case now and then check the fault. Friends, I have opened it. Now I am removing the connections of screen and other speakers. These are speaker wires. Remove all the connectors so the PCB should be visible and check for physical damage or any burnt. Friends, I have turned the PCB so it is bottom view. Check here for primary section. Here is filter capacitor. We will check here voltage is present or not. Then on the secondary side, all diodes and filter capacitors. We will check this, all voltages are present. Then next go to the EHT section, voltages going there or not. We can see every filter capacitor on the way to EHT. Friend, this is power supply section and mainly faults are here. Turn the meter to 200 volt DC or 500 volt. Yes, put it on 500 volt because we are checking the main filter capacitor, because there is 300 volts on it. Friends, be careful when checking the PCB because there is a risk of shock. Power on the TV. Here voltages at main filter capacitor are 291. It's okay friends. Main filter voltages are okay. It's up to 300 volts. Then friends, coming to next section, put this ground on the earth of the CRT screen so it's easy to find voltages. Check the secondary side now friends. Here are diodes of 4 different supplies. It's 13 volt. Okay friends, it's okay. The next is 10 or 11 volts. It is okay, it's going to main processor. Friend, next is 115 volts B plus line. It is also okay. Friends, all the secondary voltages are okay, so there is no problem in the power supply. Now we will move to the next step, checking further this voltage is going to other sections or not. Look at this friend, B plus is okay at the main filter capacitor of V plus line. Now this is resistance going to EST. On its primary side it is giving 115 volts. This resistor is going to EST friends. Now we'll check on the second side. Friends, you can see that there is no voltage here. R403. This resistor has no voltage across. So friends, it is burn or its value is high ohms. Both are the cases. This B plus not going to the EHT section, so that's why it's not powering on or giving display. Now we will off the TV and check the resistor for physical damage or check its value by meter. Turn the PCB, friends. This is R403. Friends, look at this. It is blown from the center and its colors are also not visible, so it is done. I have removed it. As friends, you can see that there is physical damage or burnt on the resistor. Its value is, friends, 10 ohms. I will change another good one and replace its and the place is so narrow, it's very difficult to insert it. Finally I have managed it. Now I will solder it from the back side. This is R403. I have preheated the soldering iron. Now I will solder this. Friend, if there is no shortage in the supply or other thing, then there is a tip that some voltage is missing on any components, friend. I am soldering this. It's okay, friends. I have soldered it. Now I will power on the TV and check the condition. Also check for other visible damages or burns if there are or not. Check for some dry solder joints. These are also very bad conditions that help in not powering the TV. It is okay now, friends. It took some time. Look at this. R403 is now soldered on the PCB. Now I will power on the TV and check the voltages across it. Take care of earth and voltages not short with each other another base and the other PCB. And power on the TV. Now check the voltages across the resistor. It is before, it's okay. Now to the other side, friends, it's okay now. As you can see that voltages are going across the resistor R403 into the EHT, and now our B plus line is okay. Now I will check the TV. It's on. Friend, there is little dot. I have missed the connections of yoke coil. This dot is due to yoke coil not intact. Power off the TV and insert the yoke coil connector. Fit the PCB into the fitting of casing of TV and connect all the connections. Wire of this degassing coil, power cable, speaker wires, yoke coil, and then I will check the display. Connect this yoke coil. Friends, take care of the sides. Its far side is horizontal drive and near cables are vertical. Now it's okay. Inserted. Put the speaker cables on the PCB. Push it forward to the casing. This is audio video jack cable. Now I will power on the TV, friends, and check the display. Is it good or not, or display have come or not. I am inserting the AC card. Switch on. Now look at the front, friends. Is picture come or not? Yes, look at this, friends. Picture has come and it is set on AV1. Friends, look at this. The TV cable raster came. Now we will insert the cable and check the picture. Friends, it's okay. Now picture has come. So friends, today we have learned that if the B plus voltage is not going to EST, display will not come. So friends, there is a little resistor burnt and everything is out. Kindly subscribe my channel, like my video and share it. Goodbye then, friends.